Alright guys, welcome back to the Kura Maker channel. My name is King Rusdi, and today I'm going to teach you on how we can make SABO hat that is from One Piece SABO. And yes, before we keep on going, this is the list that you must have before you get started. That is number one is measuring tape, number two is A4 papers, and number three is masking tape. Number four is EVA foam, 5 millimeter, and of course, and last but not least is knife and scissors. And so now you must combine the both A4 paper sides. Now you must combine the both A4 papers side by side with measuring tape. You just glue it both sides, of course. After you glue all up, take the measuring tape and measure around your head because we wanted to make the template out of it. So after that, take some straight scrap EVA foam and cut it straight following your around the head measurement. We do this first so you can know whether it will fit your head or not, because it is different between measuring fabric and measuring an EVA foam for wearing on your body or on your head. It will kind of make an extra inch for your measurement because of it is thickness. So next, of course, you glue it both sides using C. cm. It's around 9 cm. I don't know if you can see it, 9 cm. And the size is 8.5 cm. Alright? You guys can pick which one you guys want or make this one bigger, following your heads and stuff, up to you. So reference for the head is using your measurement. That is, for me right now, is 21 inch, and the height is 17.5 or 7 inch. I use it 7 inch so it will be easy. 7 inch, alright? Head. So yes, let's continue on put this.
Last but not least, spray paint all the props, and this is the final results. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Kura Maker. See you guys again for the next content.